the shadows where the silence breaks, I find the strength that it finally takes. We're rising higher, we're cutting the line, leaving the ghost of the past behind.
The pulse is beating inside the floor. We're knocking hard on the temple door. Total surrender, total release. Inside the noise we find our peace.
Brace yourself! The storm is here! Ignite! Kingdom!
Thousands of voices, one single beat. The pavement is melting under our feet. We are the fire.